Hi, Prof. This is Chengyu, and this is my demo for the first milestone. As you can see on the screen, there's 5 lines times 11 aliens in each line, and the first line is squid. The second two are crabs, and the bottom two are octopus. I assigned them different colors. I did modifications on move. I put move in game object and composite just to make sure like the grid can move simultaneously, not each alien move by themselves. I like keep them move at the same time. And I create a movement sprite in the sprite class sprite folder, I think, to get the affection like start and pause, start, pause, start, pause. Put it in the timer, and yeah, and I did a priority queue sorted. Put it in the timer manager, and yeah, that's generally what I did for the milestone. Thank you.